This is Nkosasana, and I am your goddess. This is the second portion of our corresponding planet energies video. So tune in. Anyhow, Venus, the energy that resonates with Venus are emotions, love, the ability to love, beauty, and pleasure. What makes you happy? Depending on what zodiac sign you have and which house it's in. We're not going to talk about the houses right now, but depending on what zodiac sign, it'll let you know how you love. Placement in Venus tells you all about what you need, what makes you feel happy, what makes money for you, how do you make your money, how much money you have, all about your fashion sense. This planet talks all about the type of love you give. How do you like to be loved? What pleasures you? If you're like me and you have Venus in Scorpio, that means that you're very passionate about your relationships and your love and your emotions. You have deep emotions. You have deep love for people. You love things that are covered and like shrouded in mystery. In your relationships, you probably always have some type of mystery or secrets or something going on, whether it's you or your partner. The Venus energy is all about beauty, love, and pleasures. The two zodiac signs that are governed by Venus and by that balance, beauty, pleasure, love energy are Libra and Taurus. Okay, Libra is the air sign of Venus, Taurus is the earth sign of Venus. This makes Libras have that balance and beauty, have pleasure, be all about beauty and love. This makes Taurus have pleasure in touching and being aggressive in movement and things like that, and being relaxed. Taurus loves touch. They love other people. They are very emotional and very affectionate, can be. Mars is the man that is building the house from scratch. Mars is Jason Momoa. Mars talks all about what your drive is like, what your passion, how aggressive you are, how you move, how you get things done. It talks about your determination, your motivation, what motivates you. Mars is all about aggression and just the energy, the type of energy you put out, how much energy you put out, how you get things done. It's all about your sex, how you have sex, what type of man you are attracted to. It's about your strength. It's about your reactions. Venus and Mars always just like love each other. Venus is about what type of woman you like. Mars is about the type of man that you like. Well, my Mars is in Libra, which with my Mars, it makes the way that I handle confrontation, it makes it more balanced. I think a lot more before I react. Mars in Aries, you will probably like be a firecracker type person. You will probably react always to anger or react to things without thinking about it that much, and you'll be very much more aggressive. Your sexual energy will be much more like straightforward. Mars just talks all about that type of energy, right? How you move about, like what do you do when you have altercation? What is your fight like? Action, action, action. Mars is governed by Aries and Scorpio. Scorpio used to be governed by Mars, but they try to switch it up and put it with Pluto. So Scorpio has Pluto and Mars, whatever. Let's just say your Mars was in Aries. That means you will be very aggressive. The way that you do things is very on the move, very fiery, just like an Aries. Jupiter is the planet all about luck and expansion, the energy of your goals and making things happen and just bringing you all of that lucky, lovely energy. The corresponding planet is Pisces and Sagittarius. You know, Sagittarius is all about going far, going the distance. Pisces is all about going the distance over land and water and in the mind, thinking. So when Jupiter is all about growth and abundance, where your luck is going to come from, what your luck looks like, what does your confidence look like, your wisdom, your education, your higher beliefs, with that Sagittarius energy, always being philosophical. So that's why Pisces and Sagittarius are great planets actually that correspond with the Jupiter energy. When you see Jupiter placements, you know that's where your luck is. That's where your expansion, where things spread out for you. If you have or Aries and Jupiter, then your luck or your expansion will normally come from you being a leader or you being aggressive about something or you just going into things head on, that type of energy. Saturn, let's do Saturn. The key terms of Saturn is all about restriction. It's all about keeping things concealed, keeping things from expanding. So it's actually the opposite of Jupiter. Some key terms when you're talking about the energy of Saturn is authority, restriction, tradition, slowness, a foundation, structure. Father figures again shows up when you're talking about Saturn energy. Teachers, like those figures. What type of boundaries we have, what type of discipline we have. And the signs that correspond with that are Capricorns. Aquarius and Capricorns can be very disciplined. They're very focused when they put their mind on something. They can have like these old spirits, kind of like granddads or grandpas. The Capricorn and Aquarius energy can very well correspond with the very traditional planet about boundaries, tradition, rules, governance, like Saturn. Uranus is all about your genius, surprise, things that are just different and take different turns. Your eccentricity, what's different about you. It's also about your revolution and how you just things pan out for you, how things change and how things mature and evolve for you. Innovation and originality are two key terms. In your chart, the energy of Uranus will bring humanitarianism. It will bring being ahead of your time, breaking the rules, not fitting into the normal thing, always changing, always just evolving and revolving. Aquarius is the zodiac sign that resonates with the Uranus energy. Neptune. Neptune, Neptune, Neptune. Neptune is all about mysticism. It's all about secret, what's in the imagination, the things that are unknown, your dreams, your spirituality, the fantasy world almost. The zodiac sign that corresponds with this energy is Pisces. Pisces are very in their mind. They're always thinking, they're always imagining things. So when you start seeing Neptune or different planets and different zodiac signs, the energy of Neptune is all about imagination, thinking outside of the box, all type of confusion. It also can be about romance. Pisces can be very emotional. It can be about giving of yourself and also being very self-defeating, like being against yourself a lot. So you have to watch out for that Neptunic energy, that Neptunic energy. Lastly, we're going to talk a little about Pluto. I really like the planet of Pluto. It is my other side of my Scorpio, which is my other side of my Libra. When you start talking about Pluto's energy, you start talking about all type of transformation, catastrophic change, not the type of subtle change that Neptune will bring you. Pluto is more everything burns down. It reminds me of the Tower card in tarot, catastrophic out of nowhere. Pluto energy is about uncovering buried treasures, things that are hidden deep down and bringing them out to light, making new discoveries, eliminating what's no longer needed because we don't need that no more. We're going to burn down this whole tree so we could use this ash to make manure to build a new tree. Transforming. It's about growth. It's about power as well. And yes, the one and only Scorpio is governed by the energy of Pluto. I hope that gave you a better insight on the different planets and the energy behind each one of them. Next time we can go into different houses and your natal charts. And I will do a special video just for the ascending signs. So thank you all. Have a wonderful. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know a little bit about your natal chart. Let me know a little bit about yourself. I'll let you all know a little bit more about my chart on another video.